Wigs sent me a wig and it was ready. They were nice enough to send me one of their wigs. They let me pick from one, and I saw this really cute pink one, and I was like, I don't know. I did blonde not too long ago, and honestly that just gave me this spark, and I just wanted to try a whole bunch of different colors. So I'm going to be showing you guys this bomb pink wig today. So let's go ahead and see what the box came with. It didn't take too long to get here either. It was about 5 days, I think. This is the wig itself. This is she. So it's pink, and then the roots are dark brown. Would you even say black? I guess that's black. Okay, what else came in here? Oh, the wig cap that I'm wearing. It came with 2 wig caps. Love that. And then a spray bottle. So this is the wig. It's got a lot of lace. And then it's got baby hairs, and then this is kind of what the hairline looks like. I'm definitely gonna have to put some foundation on it to blend it, but we gonna see how this gonna go. All right, so let's, how do I not have a brush in here? What's wrong with me? I just need something to get the baby hairs up and out of the way for now. This is Aussie, by the way. This is just Aussie. Oh, it is a mousse. Mousse and leave-in conditioner. Heard. All right. So I'm just gonna put some of the mousse down so the baby hairs lay down, because it's really hard for me to lay a wig when the baby hairs are in the way. And I don't know if I said that the first time, but the hair is synthetic. So we just have to be careful with her. It's the whole production. Hold on. Okay, I've got this. It just occurred to me that I probably need to clip this hair back. 2 completely different clips, but that's all we have. Ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, too numb. Cry and get known, hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Alright, let's cut. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is just my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut 355, and I'm gonna take that foundation just so I can blend the lace with my face. Alright, so we put some foundation on to blend the wig a little bit better. Let's style it. My favorite part, because right now it's just kind of doing its own thing. So let's try a side part. I'm just about to brush it out and then put a little bit of heat in it just to straighten it out so we can style it a little. This is how long the hair is. It reaches down here, and then if I turn around, so it's pretty long, and I'm usually so quick to want to cut hair, but with this I was like, let me keep the length. I'm gonna try to do a little side part. Okay, I kind of made a makeshift part, but we gonna roll with it. Now I'm gonna put some foundation, and I'm just taking this and putting it on my part to make it legit. And I'm just putting some more mousse in just to kind of tame the hair down. Mousse actually works really well with synthetic hair. We cute. Now I'm just gonna go through, not that it needs it because the hair is pretty super soft on its own, but I'm gonna go through and straighten the hair out with my flat iron. I always cut a little wispy hair in the front that's like shorter than the rest of the hair. So the hair does straighten well. This is on the lowest heat I have, and that is always a blessing because as long as you can heat the hair, synthetic hair can last you a while. Powerpuff Girl for life. I love a good soft wig. Okay, wig is straightened. All right, the true test. Put some baby hairs in this thing. I'm a little nervous. I'm a lot nervous, but I think we got this. All right, baby hairs, check. Kind of. They're decent, so we'll keep it. All right, guys, so this is our finished look. I'm gonna say I am obsessed with this wig, from the color to the length to just everything. Like, hey wig, hey pink hair. I just think of cotton candy and bubblegum when I look at this hair. I'm obsessed, I'm sold. The color over everything. I just really like it when like I find a really cute color, like the pink is sending me. And honestly, I love the length. I'm telling you guys, I am usually the first one to try to cut a wig, but I actually feel like this one, like the length, I'm feeling it. See what happens when we try new things and we're not afraid to try new colors, because I definitely a year ago probably would have been like, no pink for me. I like the color. The hair, like I said, is super soft. Please stay this soft. Please never stop being this soft. I'm very impressed by just the quality of this. Now the company did send me this hair for free, but they did provide you guys with a discount code. So if you want to purchase this wig, if you just want to try a little bit of color, if you think the pink would look cute on you, which I feel like it would, like this pink would look good on anyone. And I feel like it's a really cute, fun springtime color. But yeah, if you want to purchase this wig, I got y'all. Everything's going to be linked down in the description below, along with it. I think it's an 8% discount code. So if you want to buy it, if you want to cop. But that is going to be it for this video today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let's be YouTube friends. And that's going to be it for this video today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!